In order for you to access the Academic Early Alert, you will first need to sign into MyCWU. You will sign into MyCWU by entering your username and password. Once you are signed into your MyCWU account, you will need to locate the Faculty Toolbox. If you do not see Faculty Toolbox on your dashboard, simply go to the left corner, click Content, then select Faculty Toolbox. Within Faculty Toolbox, you will select Early Alert. This will bring up a list of students who are in the Early Alert process. It is important to note that just because a student is on your list, it does not mean that he or she is high risk. We have several groups who participate in the Early Alert process. Only a small percentage of those are actually high-risk students. In addition, we are not requesting information for every student on your list, only those for which you have concerns. An academic alert would be any student with a D or below, or who is not turning in assignments. An attendance alert would be any student who's missing enough classes to negatively affect them in your classroom. Finally, the behavior alert is for a student who is disrupting your classroom. Although there is a column for grades and notes, it is not always necessary that you provide those. If, however, you would like to, in order to help the academic counselor follow up with that student, those are greatly appreciated. They are not required in order for you to provide academic early alert information. Once you have identified each of the students that you are concerned about, you will scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Then you are finished with the process. If you would like to come back later and change your information, you may do so. As soon as you save it within the system, we will be able to extract the information and use it to communicate with the student, letting them know that they have an alert and that they should come and talk to you. Further, for students who have more than one alert, that student's academic counselor will be notified so that they can follow up with the student. If you have any technical questions, please feel free to contact Diane Fishel Hall at extension 3020. If you have any questions or concern about the Academic Early Alert process, please contact Dr. Jessie Nelson at extension 1599. Thank you for your time, and thank you for supporting the retention of students at Central Washington University.